This is really cool. It's fresh out of lab, so I haven't tested it yet, and I need to clean up that corner because it's annoying me. But super cool cuticle. It's one of those greenish tan ones. Here's the party piece. Solid cuticle. This is an old one. It must have been in a paddle at some point, but I just got it as a filthy log, basically. It wasn't in its paddle anymore. It's so cool. You can actually see vein transitions in terms of characteristics. As I lap the bottom, and the bottom has a totally different character to it. Hopefully that doesn't cause problems. I'll see how it reacts under the razor. It's super cool though. It's like, I don't know how well it's picking up. You could see it there. I could see it through the camera screen. Layer, layer, layer. I think this stone would be continually probably changing character in subtle ways as you went through it. That's my guess. It's really cool. Even the draw feels different. That's interesting. Anyway, I need to give this a go. I just thought of putting up a video because it's an interesting cuticle, and I haven't picked up an interesting cuticle in a while. Wish I could pick up. Anyway,